The Georgian food named kinkali. How to eat kinkali? Hold your with two hands, then bite. Okay, and then sip the juice.
Higop.
Higupin ang juice, parang balot. Then bite. So meron siyang meat inside. Parang is it yummy? Yummy.
Sakto lang.
So, ito yung kinkali, a Georgian food. So, yun yung laman. Yung meat siya inside. Kinkali. Say kinkali. Uy.